Maximize cold storage in your kitchen with this 3-section Coolscapes reach-in refrigerator from Delfield. The 3 smart hinge doors auto-close to trap in cold air, while the glass door construction and LED lights enable staff to locate ingredients before opening a door. Products are stored on 9 adjustable shelves, and the electronic temperature control helps to quickly chill newly added products at 33 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. To add a Delfield refrigerator to your kitchen, call today or visit KaTom.com.